But here's the truth. Silence protects you in the short term, but it costs you in the long term. Less friends, less opportunities, less confidence. And confidence isn't something you wait for, it's something you build through action. So let's build it. Before school even starts, you decide who you are that day. Most students wake up and think, I hope today isn't awkward. That mindset keeps you small. Instead, try this. When you wake up, tell yourself, today I speak at least once. Not perfectly, just once. This works because of something called identity-based habits. When you attach behavior to identity, your brain starts following it. You're not the quiet kid. You're someone practicing social confidence. Small shift, big difference. Now let's talk about class. When the teacher asks a question and you know the answer, count down in your head. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your hand before your brain talks you out of it. This interrupts overthinking. The first time feels scary. The second time feels uncomfortable. The third time starts feeling normal. Confidence grows through repetition, not waiting. And remember something important. Nobody is thinking about your answer as much as you think they are. Everyone is too busy worrying about themselves. Now, between classes, you don't need to suddenly become loud. You just need small social wins. Make one comment about the lesson. Ask someone, what did you get for number 5? Or say something simple like, nice hoodie. That's it. Social confidence grows like a muscle. Tiny reps. Every small interaction tells your brain speaking is safe. Slowly, the fear disappears. Now, let's talk about lunch. If you always sit alone, your brain keeps reinforcing that identity. Try this instead. Sit near people. You don't have to dominate the conversation, just be present. Presence builds familiarity, and familiarity builds comfort. There's a psychological principle called the mere exposure effect. The more people see you around, the more comfortable they feel with you. Visibility creates opportunity. Silence erases it. Now, when the day ends, don't attack yourself. Instead, ask 2 simple questions. Where did I speak today? Where did I hold back? No shame, just awareness. Progress isn't measured in perfection, it's measured in attempts. If you spoke once today, that's a win. Stack enough small wins, and your identity changes. And listen, I know what it feels like to be overlooked, to feel like background noise in your own life. But you are not background. You're just undertrained socially, and that is completely fixable. So here's the challenge. For the next 30 days, speak once in every class. Start one small conversation every day. Sit near people instead of isolating yourself, and reflect each night. That's it. No personality change, no pretending to be someone else, just consistent practice. After 30 days, you won't be the quiet kid. You'll be the calm, confident one. There's a big difference. Listen carefully. The world rewards people who show up. Your ideas matter. Your voice matters. But only if people hear it. Start small, start scared, but start. If this helped you, comment, I'm speaking up. Like the video so more students stop hiding. Subscribe if you're building real confidence this year. You're not invisible. You're just getting started.